Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Not all USB-C cables support fast charging. The capability to support fast charging depends on the cable's power rating and whether it meets specific standards, like USB power delivery, USB PD. To ensure fast charging, look for cables marked with an E-marker chip and certifications for power delivery specifications. These cables support higher wattages necessary for fast charging. Always check the cable specifications or packaging to confirm its capabilities before purchasing.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.